What's up, everybody? It's Coach D. Today is March the 10th, 2026, and it's getting ready to be London session. And I just want to teach you guys something very simple. Most important thing to understand is market structure. And today I'm going to teach you a simple way, especially if you're using MetaTrader 4. Increase your pips, increase your funds, increase your knowledge. So today, during Asian session, I only look for buys, and I'm going to show you guys exactly why. I only look for buys, and I started with $70. On account, I'm going to show you guys. I started with $70 2 days ago, and I've only been looking for buys, and I'm going to show you why. And what's going on is the market is very bullish. Our daily highs have been broken numerous times. And let's just get straight into it. Let's go to MetaTrader 4. Right here is my MetaTrader 4. Let's go to this area. As you see, the key to taking good trades and understanding where the market is going, as you see, I'm in a 5-minute time frame, and the last hour or so it's just been in a range. So what are we looking for? We're looking for a break of this moving average. That's the 50 moving average. So if you don't understand how to set that up, go to your indicators, find the moving average, make sure that it's set on 50. That's it. Turn that back off, go back out, or hit done, go back out. And once you got that, if you look at it, look at all that structure, how it's just respecting that moving average. Them are entries. When it hit that moving average, them are entries. That's why you see I'm able to take so many trades I look at what's going on. I see if it's going to hit that moving average. Once I see it's respected on the next higher high after hitting the moving average, I take the trade. It's that simple. It don't matter. You don't have to take 1 to 3 trades a day. Just follow this process. You can probably take a lot of trades, and I do it all the time because I know when you guys see my profits, if it's a small account or big account, you see profits. You see all wins. You don't see no losses whatsoever, because I know what direction it's going. I know what it's bouncing off of. I know how to get the pips. It's all about the pips. The money come with whatever lot you're using. Everyone know that. But it's all about just getting the pips. And yes, I do, when I trade, I do use, let's go back. I am using a live account. I'm not trading in demo. I use real accounts. I'm not out here showing you on demo. When I trade for real. This is Coach D. I just wanted to show you guys something simple. Set your moving average to 50 and watch the difference. If you see the main key is if you see these candles below that moving average, that 50 moving average, look for sales and only look for sales. When you see it on the moving average on a 50, do not be in a sale. Treat it like a no-go trade zone. But once it break it and then break that lower low, continue selling until it turn back bullish. That's it. This is Coach D. I'm out.
Yeah. Go talk. Go talk. Go talk. Sean King. 20 picks and dip. Coach D in the building. Master Scalper. In and out. That precision proper. Wait for the setup. No chasing profit. Never. Structure break, man, I lock that profit. Lie.